Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I was contacted recently, asked to review some of these books that were sent on behalf of the U.S. Government Bookstore. So you can get government publications by visiting the U.S. Government Publishing Office, GPO, online bookstore at Bookstore.GPO.Gov for official federal publications from NASA, the National Park Service, and the Environmental Protection Agency, and many more, all produced by GPO, or visit their brick and mortar store in Washington, D.C. It's the only bookstore that exclusively sells federal government publications. With more than 4,000 titles on topics from the federal government, the GPO Bookstore has something for everyone. A few other neat things GPO is known for: producing U.S. passports, border crossing cards, Super Bowl credential badges, presidential inauguration invitations, and menus for White House dinners. Learn more at GPO.Gov and subscribe to their book blog at Booktalk.GPO.Gov. Okay, so let's see what they've sent us. So this is a Junior Ranger activity guide. And we see right there, those are the Obama's dogs. There's a welcome from Michelle Obama. And it says, explore, learn, protect, be a Junior Ranger. How to become a White House Junior Ranger. What is a National Park Service Junior Ranger? And then inside, there's lots of information. The story of the White House is in here. So these are great books for kids. I mean, my kids are going to like these. They're full of interesting facts. They're great for teachers in classrooms. So this is all about the White House. Tells you about the state room, the blue room, the red room, the green room, the state dining room, the old family dining room, the entrance hall and cross hall. Thanks for touring the White House. Get active, stay active, let's move. And then there's champions for change. So you learn about the other some of the other first ladies like Nancy Reagan, Betty Ford, Eleanor Roosevelt, Abigail Adams, Dolly Madison, Michelle Obama. And then there's a nice word search. There's President Abraham Lincoln. And then there's an area to express yourself. And there's something about fur and scales. There's also hidden pictures, technology firsts, the ABCs of architecture on the south side of the White House. There's a crossword puzzle. And then the answers. And congratulations, there's a certificate for the Junior Ranger Pledge and available at the White House Visitor Center. You can get a sticker there. Okay, so that's that. And I'm not sure if that means it's $9 or what, but that's the Junior Ranger White House book. So let's see what else we have here. This is the Joshua Tree National Park official program and activity booklet. So inside, have you noticed becoming a Junior Ranger? There's Wildlife Watch, so some of the animals that you may find there, and the kids can check them off, as well as the plant checklist. And then where have you been? And then some information about lizards, ages 4, 5, 6, and 7, hunting for habitat, scavenger hunt bingo, lazy lizard eye, be a rock star, so they can fill in some information there that talks about road runners, ages 8, 9, and 10, plant sketch, desert shopping, rock ramble, desert poem, acrostic, coyotes, ages 11, 12, 13, and 14. Amazing animals, who am I? And again, we have some games, drawing, and stuff like that. And then there's also, again, a certificate of achievement. And this looks like it's $5. Okay, so here's another one, Junior Park Ranger for the Redwood National State Parks. So I don't know about you, I didn't know these types of booklets were available, but they're very good if you're visiting one of these state parks or, going to the White House. Instructions for becoming a junior ranger, a search for ranger safety, there's some games there. The Redwood puzzle, be a wildlife detective. Tide pool bingo, ranger beach resort. How a tree works, be a tree detective. The nursery log, the octopus tree mystery. The art of making things, canoe culture. So you can even make a canoe there if you cut that out. Fish for the right color, timber time. And then hidden life on the edge. Discover how you can help. Stump the Ranger, banana slug guide. Redwood History Explorer, a map maker, bringing it home, keep on learning. So there's more resources there, and that's $5. Then there's the Junior Paleontologist book from the National Park Service, U.S. Department of the Interior, Geological Resources Division, Explore, Learn, Protect. And in here, become a junior paleontologist. How old are you? My name is, I received this book from Find Your Park. Okay. More than 259 national park areas preserve fossils. Some of the parks were created specifically because of the fossils. Use this page to collect cancellation stamps from fossil parks you visit. So kids can have a record of where they visit. So here's the road to fossilization, and it's like a game board, so you can play that. And then there's fossil hunters with a word search, fossil types, and that's a game too, a learning game. Paleontologist scrapbook, the right stuff, find the fossil. Geologic time, it's all relative. Climate change, buried treasures. And then more, this is connect the dots. Mazes, the real Jurassic Park. Everything is bigger in Texas. Okay, and then Eye of the Beholder, Cenozoic Roundup, whoops, Fossil Nation, Fossils Where You Are. And I don't see anything there. Now, understanding marine debris, games and activities for kids of all ages, National Oceans and Atmospheric Administration. So in here, tons of trash. We have a word search about things that are trash, types of marine. We have a table of contents. They can go to www.marinedebris.noaa.gov. So we have types of marine debris, crossword puzzle, healthy coral reef, the source of the problem, litterless lunches, go fish. So you can color that picture. Learn to be a drain brain, beat the clock. A day at the beach, how long will it take? So this is about how long it's going to take to decompose. A page to color, sailing away. Marine matchup. A sea turtle's story. How can litter be deadly to a sea turtle? Sometimes sea turtles mistake litter in the water as food. Plastic bags, like jellyfish, sea turtle's favorite food. If swallowed, debris can block digestion or remain in the turtle's stomach, causing the turtle to feel full and eat less than it needs to survive. Plastic or plastic foam in a turtle's stomach can cause excessive buoyancy, decreasing the animal's ability to dive deeper for prey. Okay, no excuses. Beach cleanup, how can I help? Cleaning up the beach, diver cleanup. Getting to the trash cans, the 3 R's of good stewardship, and the answer key. So So that's a nice book. Now here's a Junior Ranger Midwest Region Junior Ranger Night Explorer. And so this book, take this booklet with you on your journey throughout the Midwest National Parks. Find a quiet place in the park you are visiting. Explore the night sky and complete as many activities as you wish. Each activity in this booklet is rated by difficulty. Look at the star ratings on each page and choose the activities that are right for you. 1 star is easy, 2 stars is moderate, and 3 stars is challenging. The Astounding Sun, Smart Stargazing, Where Should the Light Go, How Dark is the Sky, Changing Faces of the Moon, and then there's activities. There's an easy one, go outside and find the moon. What phase is the moon in now? Harder one is to predict the number of days until the next full moon. Look through a telescope in a circle and draw what you can see in the field of view. Ask a telescope operator to tell you about the object and write down what you learn. Look at the second object in the telescope and repeat the activity. Using a planisphere, did you notice? Solar system smarts, take a planet walk. Navigating at night, what to do, constellation riddles. Nature's fireworks, deep sky match. Same stars, different stories, amazing galaxy. And there's a little certificate there on the back of the book. Okay, and then we have Junior Ranger Let's Go Fishing activity book. So we've got hey there, complete this book, check your work, get a Junior Ranger Angler badge, return your completed book to the participating park, wildlife refuge, or hatchery. See the back cover for more information. So they'll actually get a little badge. You can complete them for a badge. So I imagine these would be good to do with a scouting group, whether it's Girl, Boy Scouts, or whatever, or a 4-H group, I'm sure. Okay, so let's go fishing. And this is telling you what you need, your checklist. Meet a fish. Okay, so you're going to learn about them right now. The bluegill sunfish, we have those in the lake. Some underwater videos of them. Then there's summer flounder, the northern pike, the channel catfish, fish and people, the junior angler way. So it says wear a life jacket, don't forget water, snacks, extra clothes, hat, sunglasses, sunscreen, flashlight, or first aid kit, fish with a friend. When weather gets bad or thunder roars, go inside, know how to identify, handle and release fish, give anglers space, stay away from other fishing lines, and check your area before casting your line. Keep fish habitats clean. Please don't leave your trash behind or any fishing line. And there's types of fishing: river fishing, deep sea fishing, surf fishing, ice fishing, and lake fishing. Get to know the gear. Angler tips. Tic-tac-toe, go outside. Protect and conserve, pass it on. Continue the adventure. Junior Ranger Let's Go Fishing. And then there's a cancellation stamp you can get there. And like I said, there's information how to get the badge. You visit this site for a list of the national fish hatcheries and national wildlife refuges that distribute badges. Please call or contact a participating hatchery or refuge before you visit to confirm the badge is available and the operating hours. The list will change as additional refuges and fish hatcheries offer the Junior Ranger program, Let's Go Fishing program, so check back often. Okay, so that's that. And so that's what we have there, and a lot of interesting booklets. So if you'd like to check out that site, and I will put those in the video description, you can check that out. So Bookstore.GPO.Gov. and you can follow them on social media. Everybody have a great one. I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions or want to let me know what you think of these, then just go on ahead and let me know in the comments here. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.